Hello everyone. Let's continue our AutoCAD discussion. So here in this, we will be starting with another drawing command that is circle. So you can access the circle command from this ribbon bar. You can see this is a ribbon bar. Already I have told you in our basics class. From here you can access there. See, now if you left click here, you will see there are different methods for drawing the circle, like center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent radius, tangent. So let us discuss one by one all the options. But first, I will start with the help of command line. So the shortcut key for a circle is C, enter. C enter, then the circle command will get activated. Here you will see, first it is saying that specify the center for circle or 3P. 3P means 3 point circle. With the help of 3 point, we will be drawing the circle. With the help of 2 point, we will be drawing the circle, and TTR, that is tangent radius. So first I will specify the center. You can directly left click on any point on the drawing area. So let me left click here. Yes. Now what it is asking, once you left click here, now it is nothing but the center of the circle. Now it is showing, it is asking specify radius of circle. Always remember that the AutoCAD will ask question at each and every moment through the command line. You have to read that and you have to respond onto that. Okay, let me give radius as 50. So this is a circle of radius 50 and it is a center. Now, suppose I want to draw another circle which is concentric to this circle. Another circle of 25 radius which is concentric to this particular circle. So let's go, C, enter. Now it is asking specify center point. Now you can see it is showing the center. What is that green color symbol here near the crosshair? That's the point picking tool which I had already explained in OSnap option. Let me come out of it. If you go to OSnap, OS, enter, you will see this. The third one, first one is endpoint, we have already seen. Second one is midpoint, we have already seen. This is the center which I was talking about. Okay, so this center, if it is not activated, as of now it is activated because it is checked. So if it is not activated, then the center will not show. Do you want to see that? See, I have unchecked it. Let's go to circle. Now it is not showing. It is not showing the center. Okay, so to see that center, make sure your OSnap is activated from here. Center is activated. Okay, and okay. Now you can easily draw a concentric circle. Okay, this is the center of that previous circle of radius 50. Okay, now it is asking radius of 25. Enter. So it is a concentric circle of 25 radius. Okay, now sometimes in the question they might give diameter. Okay, so what we have to do, go to circle, pick the center. Okay, let me draw another circle of diameter 200. So I have to go here. You can directly left click onto this diameter to specify the diameter of the circle, or you can directly press D and enter. But as of now I am going into diameter, left click. Let me give 200. So this is a circle having diameter of 200. I hope this is very much clear to you. Now let us see other options. for drawing circle. Okay, now I want to delete this. Left click, move the crosshair, again left click, all the circle will get selected and press delete. Okay, now go to circle again. We have 3 points. So let us mention 3 points here. Those 3 points can be end point. Those 3 points can be midpoint of a line. Those 3 points can be anything. So let me draw 3 lines here. Okay. So these are the 3 lines. Let us draw a circle which will pass through 3 points of that particular line. Go to circle, go to this 3 point, 3P, 3P. Okay, now left click. So first point, let me take first point, this one, end point. This is the second point. See, now it is asking third point. So this is the third point, or you can either choose this as the third point, or this one, or this one. Let me choose this as my third point, which is the end point of the third line. So the circle is made. Sometime it might require. Okay, so that's why I'm teaching this. Let me erase this. Now let's go to circle again. Now we have option 2P. Go to 2P. Actually, see, just think logically. What is meant by 2P? Okay, what is meant by 2P? See, 2P is nothing but your 2-point circle. A circle passing through 2 points. Actually, those 2 points is nothing but your diametrical points. Okay, suppose you want to draw a circle passing through 2 points. And apart from those 2 points, you don't know anything. Neither you know radius, neither you know diameter. Only you have 2 points, and someone has asked that you have to draw a circle passing through 2 points. So those 2 points has to be the diametrical points. So that's why it is asking here in the command line, specify first end point of circle's diameter. So this is the first end point. This is the second end point. Okay, so actually second end point of circle's diameter. Yes. So see, this is the circle which is passing through this end point and this line's end point. Yes, very good. Now the third option is TTR, that is tangent radius. So let me take these 2 lines, this line and this line as my tangent. So this is the first tangent. See, the tangent symbol is shown. Now why this tangent symbol is showing? You might have seen this tangent symbol in OSNAP, right? So see, this is the symbol of tangent. Look at that green color symbol. That is a point picking tool. So that means I am drawing a circle taking this line as my tangent. See, again asking specify point on object for second tangent of circle. So this is the second tangent. Let us say this is the second tangent. Okay, now it is asking radius. So let me give radius randomly as 40. So see, this circle has been made by keeping this line and this line as tangent. Now you might be thinking that this line and this circle is not in touch. Not an issue. If you extend this line now, you will see that this line is tangent to this circle. The relation is important, not the touch. Okay, see, suppose if I draw another circle by taking this as tangent and second tangent is this one, tangent radius, right? Let me give 60 radius. So see, another circle of radius 60 by taking this line and this line as tangent. To deselect these two lines, press escape, ESC button, which is at the top left corner of the keyboard. Okay, I hope you got my point. Let me draw another circle by taking this as tangent, this as tangent, and radius is 80. See, I hope you got my point. Okay, let me erase this. See, it is not at all necessary that you have to take line as tangent. Even you can take tangent from circle as well. See here. Let us say this is one circle. This is another circle. Okay. Now let's go to circle. Okay. TTR. So I have drawn two circles. Now this is the first tangent. This is the second tangent of the circle. And let me specify the radius as, let me take as 60. So you can see. So this is a circle which is tangent to this circle and this circle of radius 60. Right? Now go to circle, tangent, tangent, radius, tangent to this, tangent to this. Let me give 60 radius. Now you can see I have drawn another circle of 60 radius in this direction. So it totally depends upon in which direction you are selecting as tangent. Like in the first case, I selected this as my tangent at this position and here. That's why the circle is here. When I drew this second circle, I choose this as my tangent and this as my tangent. Okay, this position. That's why the circle is here. So it totally depends where you are choosing. Now, let me give another TTR. Let's say this is the first tangent. This is the second tangent. Okay. Now, let me give radius of 40. See, again, the circle is made. Okay. Of 40 radius. Now, let's go to TTR again. This is the first tangent. This is the second tangent. Now, let me give radius very small, 20. Now, some warning is shown here because I have given radius as 20, which is very small. See, circle does not exist. Means you cannot draw a circle of radius 20 by taking this circle and this circle as tangent. Okay, this circle and this circle as tangent, and radius is 20 because radius 20 is smaller than the shortest distance between these two circles. The shortest distance between these two circles. The shortest distance between these two circles from their circumferences, respective circumferences, it may be greater than 20. That's why radius of 20 radius is not taking. So sometime this case might happen. So you have to take care of it. I hope you got my point. Now, let me draw another circle, okay, and one line, okay. So you can draw a circle, go to TTR, tangent, this says tangent, 30. See, circle does not exist because the shortest distance between this circle and line is greater than 30. So let me do it again. Tangent, tangent, radius, first tangent, second tangent. Let's take 50. Now you can see 50 radius is sufficient. That's why the circle is drawn. Now, from the command line, all the options of circle is made. It's very simple and very easy to use and very most useful drawing command. Okay, now we have another what can I say, option from ribbon bar, which is not there in the command line, that is tangent, tangent, tangent. Okay. This 5 options I have already told: center radius, center diameter, 2p, 3p, tangent, tangent radius, tangent, tangent, tangent. Okay. See, circle, circle, another circle. Okay. Let me draw some lines. See, you can access line from here as well. Okay. Line. Okay, now what was the last command? The last command was line. Now, if you press enter again, the line command will get activated. Okay, see, if you press enter again, the line command will get activated. So let me draw 2 circles. The first circle, which is tangent, which is tangent to this 3 circle. So first, second, and third. Okay, so this is a circle which is tangent to all the 3 circles. Okay, let me go again here. Tangent, tangent, tangent. I hope you got my point. Now you might be wondering how I can access this tangent, tangent, tangent circle from the command line. You have to go to 3p. Okay, you have to go to 3p and you have to type 10, TAN 10, because first point on the circle. So 10. So tangent to this. Okay, now again, see, second point on the circle. So I want tangent to this circle. So you have to again type 10, TAN, inside the circle command 10. 10 means tangent to. We are asking the AutoCAD to pick the tangent. So press enter. So tangent to this. Now what is the third point? Specify third point on the circle. So I will choose 10, TAN, 10, enter. So tangent to this. You see the drawn, it is drawn, the circle is drawn. So actually the thing is that this particular command, tangent, 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 can be accessed with the help of command line by using 3 point. But inside that 3 point, again you have to ask AutoCAD to choose tangent. How? Inside the circle you have to type 10, TAN 10. Okay, yes, like this, like 3p. I want tangent to this line, so TAN 10, enter. So tangent to this. Again I want tangent to this, so how I can choose TAN 10, right? Enter. Tangent. Again third point on the circle, so TAN 10, enter. So this is it. So this is all about circle.